There is a popular advertisement going in the TV, you all would have seen, where the famous popular actress says that it is not Kanyadaan, it is Kanyaman. These people, without reading the scriptures, not understanding the tatparya behind it, they just say whatever they get in their mouth. Kanyadaan is itself a man, is itself a dignity to her. Kanyadana is not a humiliation to any girl. Dana is given. Dana is not charity. Our Shastras say Adana has a very valuable thing. The most valuable possession is given in Dana. But again I say, in the case of Kanyadana, this doesn't mean we are objectifying the girl. I will give two reasons why this Kanyadana is not objectifying women. The rules of Dana. Kanyadana comes in one of the 16 mahadanas. Though Kanyadana comes in one of the 16 mahadana, the rules and regulations of Kanyadana are very different from that of the other dana, proving its differentiation. In the case of Kanyadana, the Vara holds his hand above and the Kanya has her hand below. But in the case of any ordinary dana, the person who receives the dana, his hand will be below and the person who gives, his hand will be above. When this normal dana is considered, the person who has given the dana will have no rights on the product that he has given. But as the Kanya's father will have the hand below the groom, it clearly shows that even though after marrying, the father will have his own connection with his daughter, and this is not like other Vastradana or Bhumidana where you give and wash your hands and go off. This is the first differentiation between Kanyadana, which clearly gives us the fact that we are not objectifying women. There is one more option, one more reason that I can give. In the case of any dana, the person who receives the dana, he becomes very sure that he has a complete authority over the object that he has received. Be it a vastra, if I receive a sari, I can give it to anyone else, I can wear or I can throw, I can do whatever I want. But in the case of Kanyadana, the Vara says, Dharmecha, Arthecha, Kamecha, Nati Charami. I will not cross the line of Dharma. And what does the Dharma say? That he does not have a complete ownership on her. He cannot give the one he has got to anyone else, which is a clear fact of differentiation between all other types of dana to Kanyadana. And without knowing all this and so many other concepts, people today opt to easily deteriorate the significance of Sanatana Dharma.